Chapter number 3, trigonometry. So first topic, measurement of angle. So first of all we define angle. What do you mean by angle? Suppose this is initial line OA, and OB is rotating line. So gap between initial line and rotating line, this gap is called angle, denoted by theta. Here rotation takes place anti-clockwise. So in case of anti-clockwise rotation, angle is positive. If OA is initial line and rotating line OB rotate clockwise, means in this direction, rotation takes place through clockwise. So angle is negative. So this angle is minus theta, negative angle. So concept of angle means when rotating line rotate anti-clockwise, then angle is positive. When rotating line rotates clockwise, then angle will be negative. Okay. What is the concept of right angle? What is concept of right angle? Suppose this is horizontal line, and this is vertical line. So angle between horizontal line and vertical line is called right angle. So on the basis of this concept, we define different system of units of angle. Unit of angle. So first system, sexagesimal system. In this system, one right angle divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called 1 degree. Again 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts. One part is called, means each part is called 1 minute. Again 1 minute divided into 60 equal part. Each part is called 1 second. Second system of units, centesimal system or French system. In this system, one right angle divided into 100 equal parts. One right angle divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 grade. So one right angle equal to 100 grade. 1 grade again divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 minute. So 1 grade equal to 100 minute. Again 1 minute divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 second. So 1 minute is equal to 100 second. It is also called grade system. In circular system or radian system or international system, here is a circle, center O, OA is radius of circle. Let radius of circle is r. The length of this arc AB is equal to radius. Then angle subtended by this arc on the center is called 1 radian. Means arc AB equal to r. Then angle subtended by arc AB equal to 1 radian. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle theta is equal to arc, means AB divided by radius means r. Theta is equal to S by r. This implies S is equal to r theta. This theta measured in radian. In one complete rotation, angle is equal to arc upon radius. So arc means total. In one complete rotation, total length of arc 2 pi r and radius r. So in one complete rotation, r cancel 2 pi radian. In one complete rotation, total angle subtended at center is equal to 2 pi radian. Relation between degree system and grade system. So one right angle is equal to 90 degree. In one complete rotation, equal to 4 into 90 degree equal to 360 degree. One right angle is equal to 100 grade in grade system. So one complete rotation equal to 4 into 100 grade is equal to 400 grade. Here 360 degree equal to 400 grade. It means 1 degree is equal to 400 by 360 grade. It means cancel 4 10 ja 4 9 ja. So 10 by 9 grade means 1 degree is equal to 10 by 9 grade. Or 1 grade is equal to so cross multiply 9 by 10 degree. In one complete rotation 360 degree. In degree system, in one complete rotation is equal to 2 pi radian in degree radian system. So 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Means here is two things. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree and pi equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7 approximate value of pi. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree, or 1 degree is equal to, so 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Now 1 right angle equal to 90 degree. 1 right angle in grade system 100 grade. 1 right angle in radian system, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radian. So pi by 2 radian. Therefore, in all cases, 1 right angle are same. So degree by 90 equal to grade by 100 equal to radian by pi by 2. In all cases, 1 right angle are equal. So d by 90 degree, g upon 100, r upon pi by 2.